Hello my dear students. Today I am going to discuss the second part of water resource. It is water scarcity. So the question may ask why the water scarcity occurs among the human beings or in the economy. Clear? So there are a number of factors which created water scarcity. Okay, first, changing climatic conditions. So as we know that the water is a renewable source of energy, but precipitation doesn't take place equally. Whenever the term comes in our mind, that is the scarcity, means lack of water, first of all our mind goes to Rajasthan. Okay, in that areas the precipitation is very low. Annually it is less than 50 centimeter of water. So that area is totally the arid areas. Okay, it is also known as the desert areas. Agricultural process is not possible in that areas. So on the other hand, if we move towards the northeast, such as Mausinram, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, we get huge amount of water. So climate is also responsible for the creation of water scarcity. Now, except the climatic conditions, there are a number of factors which also creates the water scarcity. First, over exploitation of water, excessive use of water, and unequal access of water. So we will discuss about all these three, but unequal access nowadays it has been removed. In the ancient time, our society was divided on the basis of caste, language, creeds, and so on. So most of the rich people were not interested to share their water with the poor people or the lower caste groups. So they always faced the problem of water, and that's why here that is given unequal access. Means all persons are not equally utilize the water. In some of the states that is backward, and such kind of problems is also still available in that states. Now come to the over exploitation. So how the water is exploited continuously. First, development of urbanizations or growing of cities. So nowadays a number of cities is continuously increasing, and here the population is also increasing because the people has started to migrate from rural areas to urban areas or in the cities. So if the population will increase, demand of water will also increase for drinking purpose, for washing the utensils, clothes, and so on. Cooking means what? More food of crops is required because the population has increased. More production of crops is only when possible when more irrigational facilities will develop. Either it comes through the groundwater systems or comes through the underground water systems. Nowadays a number of machines, tube wells has been developed, and the farmers and the other people are utilizing the underground water, and due to that the level of underground water is continuously declining and has created the problem of water scarcity. Even in the form of the cities we find the division of society. One group is known as the higher income group and other is the lower income group. So higher income group always try to manage the water themselves. They use the underground water for their own purposes, and as a result they use excessive water for washing their cars, gardening, rinsing and other domestic usage. Even for all these works, we can use another source of water by which we can preserve the water for drinking. But these higher income groups, they do not think and they continuously exploiting the water for all these works. On the other hand, the lower income group, they have also the need of water. That's why they basically fulfills their basic needs and they also use limited. Now, next, due to the development of urbanization, the industrialization has also took place. So industries has also requirement of huge amount of water for production, for rinsing, for washing, and for production of hydroelectricity. Okay, so they also trying to exploit the maximum water. According to our book, nearly 22% of hydroelectricity is used by the industries. So all the industrialists are demanding more and more dams. Okay, and due to that, the whole vast area has already submerged. Even the flow of the river has been controlled, and due to that, the people are facing the problem of scarcity of water. Next is the pollution. Pollution also occurs due to industrialization and urbanizations. So water is being polluted by the households, farmers and industrialists, because these people drains their waste materials, chemicals, pesticides and fertilizers in the water bodies. It has increased the pH value of water, which is hazardous for human use. Now, some of the students will think that how the farmers is responsible for polluting the water. So most of the farmers use chemicals and pesticides. As you know, every year's flood comes, they carry the upper layer of the soil from one part to another part, and this soil contains chemicals and pesticides. Due to that, the water bodies becomes polluted. So in this way, these are the basic reasons. Due to that, we are facing the problem of water scarcity, and in the previous video we have also discussed up to 2025 India will face the problem of water scarcity. So we have to conserve the water so that we can easily solve this problem. So conservation of water we will see in the next video. Okay, thank you.